Hello and good morning students. Dear students, welcome to this video lecture series. Today we are going to deal with present continuous tense. Dear students, as you know, we have already covered present simple tense. Can you recall what you learnt in present simple tense? Dear students, in present simple tense we talked about daily routine, then we talked about habitual actions, then we talked about universal truth, scientific facts, general truth, then actions which are well planned or scheduled, going to take place in very near future. Apart from this, we discussed about certain verbs, those verbs which are particularly used in present simple tense. So which are those verbs? Okay, there are 4 types of verbs which are used particularly in present simple tense. First type, that is the verbs of perception, means how do we perceive the world, how do we perceive the things. We perceive the things through our senses, so to see, smell, taste, hear, etc. So these are the verbs of perception. Then we talk about verbs of thinking, to think, to consider, to suppose, to imagine, etc. Then there come verbs of emotion, to love, hate, like, dislike, want, desire, etc. Alright, then comes the verbs of appearing, to appear, alright, to look, to see, etc. So these are the 4 types of verbs we discuss in present simple tense: verbs of perception, verbs of thinking, verbs of emotion, and verbs of appearing. Alright, but today we are going to talk about present continuous tense. Yes, we are going to talk about present continuous tense. What does it mean? Continuous. Yes, something that is in movement, something that is going on, something that is taking place right now, something that is happening. Alright, something that is developing, something that is changing. Alright, so continuous, that is progressive, something that is at a progress. Alright, so we say that actions or activities going on right now, all the actions or activities going on at the time of speaking. Right now I am speaking with you. If I say I am teaching, alright, so right now I am interacting with you simultaneously, at the same time I am teaching you. You can see me that I am teaching you right now. Alright, suppose somebody rings me up and asks me what are you doing, I can say yes, I am teaching right now. Alright, if I say it's raining outside, अभी बाहर बारिश हो रही है, so it's raining outside. Alright, you can listen. Dogs are barking. Some dogs are barking in the street. गली में कुछ कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं. So these actions are going on. Where are the children? Children are playing right now. They are talking. Means वे लोग अभी बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking right now. So something is going on right now. Some action is taking place. They are quarreling. वे लोग झगड़ रहे हैं अभी. Alright. So I am teaching right now. So my teaching is going on. It's raining outside. Dogs are barking. Okay, children are playing now. So all these actions are taking place right now. Got it? So let's have a look. Actions or activities going on right now. I am teaching right now. मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ अभी. They are playing now. Right now they are playing. He is smoking at the moment. You can see him. Okay, he is smoking at this moment. What did he tell? That he quit smoking. But it's not like that. You can see he is smoking at this moment. You go and find him smoking. Got it? Dogs are barking in the street right now. You can hear, you can listen very attentively. They are barking in the street. Let's go out. It's not raining. It stopped raining. It's not raining. Let's go out. Let's go out. It's not raining. बारिश नहीं हो रही है. So this is continuous sentence, continuous tense. Okay, but something is not taking place. Okay, so what is going on? The thing that is running stopped. All right, then look, Ram is coming. Look, Ram is coming. देखो राम आ रहा है. So all these things, all these actions are taking place. So primarily, firstly, we talked about those actions which are taking place right now at this moment of speaking. At the time of speaking, right now I am interacting with you. At the same time, all these actions are taking place. Now let's have a look. We are going to talk about actions or activities extending over a longer time. Something that is not going on right now, something that might have started in the past and that is still going on. Okay, something might have been going on over a considerable time. All right, so see, the thing is that actions or activities extending a longer time, and the most important thing is that these activities or actions may not be observable right now. Okay, here in this category, whatever is going on right now, we can see it taking place, but here things might not be taking place before our eyes, but simultaneously things are going on as well. Got it? So see, he is writing a novel these days. Suppose one of my colleagues, he is sitting with me right now and I am introducing him to you, and I can say he is writing a novel these days. He is writing a novel nowadays. इन दिनों वे एक नॉवल लिख रहे हैं. Got it? So right now he is sitting with me. He is not writing a novel, but the fact is that these days he is busy writing a novel. So his writing a novel is not observable. You cannot observe, you cannot notice right now, but it doesn't mean that this action is not going on. This action is going on, but at this moment, at the time of speaking, it is not taking place. Got it? Now see, they are attending online classes. Yes, they are attending online classes. ये स्टूडेंट वो हैं जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं. ओके, owing to corona pandemic, physical classes stopped and now they are attending online classes. So right now they are sitting, you can see them standing over there, but they are busy attending online classes these days. Got it? So they are attending online classes. We are enjoying ourselves very much. Suppose you as a group have been on picnic and suppose your parents rang you up, what are you doing? You will simply say, Papa or Mother, we all are enjoying ourselves a lot. हम बहुत मजे कर रहे हैं. But right now we are talking, we are not enjoying, but you are just giving them overall view, overall your observation or experience. Got it? Then children are playing indoor games nowadays. Nowadays children started playing indoor games owing to corona pandemic. Okay, owing to widespread of this COVID-19, children started playing indoor games. So nowadays children are playing indoor games nowadays. They stopped playing outdoor games. They stopped stepping out of their houses. All right, so they are playing indoor games like chess, carom, ludo, cards, etc. So right now I am interacting with you, right now I am talking with you, and right now I am not talking about particular children or my children or anyone else children that they are playing. They are not playing right now, but what am I telling you right now? That these days all children, okay, all children, these children are playing indoor games. They are not playing outdoor games. Got it? So all these actions are not observable right now. You cannot notice them taking place right now, but they are taking place. Got it? So here the actions we talked about which are taking place right now. Here we talked about the actions which might not be taking place right now, but they are taking place regularly, continuously. Got it? So let's talk about another situation. Changing or developing situation in the present time. Something that is changing or something that is developing at this moment. Changing or developing means this transition period is going on. Alright? So changing or developing situation in the present. It is getting warmer. It is getting warmer. मौसम गर्म हो रहा है. All right. The thing is that it's too hot और दिन प्रतिदिन टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है. So you are saying it is getting warmer. So this change is taking place. This is the transition from low temperature to higher temperature. Got it? So it is getting warmer. You are being clever हो रहे हो दिन प्रतिदिन, बहुत चतुर चालाक बन रहे हो तुम. So that is you are progressing. This development is going on in you, in your character, in your behavior. So these are the changes taking place in your character. Got it? It is becoming dark. अंधेरा हो रहा है और अंधेरा हो रहा है. शाम हो गई, शाम के सूर्यास्त हो गया, सनसेट हो गया, फिर थोड़ा सा डस्क था और इसके बाद और डार्क हो गया, डार्कर एंड डार्कर. सो इट इज़ बिकमिंग डार्क और अंधेरा हो रहा है. So this change is taking place, this transition is taking place. Got it? Then the cases of COVID-19 are increasing day by day. Day by day, every day we get the reports on televisions and newspaper that the cases of coronavirus, cases of COVID-19 are alarmingly increasing day by day. दिन प्रतिदिन ये बढ़ ही रहे हैं. So this changes, development is taking place day by day. Alright, the cases of COVID-19 are increasing. So this is development, this is a change, and that is taking place every day. Alright, so this is the situation we are talking about, some development, or here this is the situation that is talking about a change. So collectively this change or development, we can see the state of transition from one state to another state, from one state into another state. This change from one state into another. So this is change, this development, it is called transition. So with such situation, to describe these situations, okay, in writing or speaking, generally we use present progressive tense, that is the present continuous tense. Alright, now let's have a look. Intention or likelihood. Intention means you have already made up your mind what you are going to do. आपने मानसिकता बना ली है आप क्या करने वाले हो. Alright, you have well planned, ये आपका इरादा है what you are going to do. Likelihood means there is a strong possibility what is going to take place. There is strong possibility and that is called likelihood. So to show intention or to show likelihood, we generally use present continuous tense. Okay, so let's have a look. He is going to start a new business next year. He is going to start a new business next year. He is going to start, वह एक नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जा रहा है next year. So that is his intention. He has already made up mind that next year he will start a new business. Alright, and that's why he is going to start a new business next year. He has already made up mind, he has resolved or he has determined that by the next year he is going to start a new business. So that is his intention. Likelihood, as I told you, that is strong possibility. Alright, he is going to die. Suppose you came across a patient or some of your relative who is extremely old or who is suffering from some fatal disease, and doctor already gave up their hope and they said आप तो इनकी सेवा करो. Means literally that person is on deathbed. Okay, he can die any moment. So there is now a strong possibility, this is likelihood, that very soon he is going to die, very soon he will die. Got it? So he is going to die, वह मरने वाला है, and this is strong possibility because of his fatal disease or because of his old age. And as per the doctor's instruction, that doctor said now nothing can be done. Alright, they have put in their sincere efforts and they have given their ultimate warning or suggestion कि आप इनकी सेवा करो. So it is officially indirectly declared that very soon he is going to die. Got it? So such likelihood when we are going to express, we use present continuous tense. Alright? So we say here he is going to die. So this is likelihood. Alright students, so today we talked about actions which are taking place right now at the time of speaking. Then we talked about those actions which are taking place but they are not observable. You cannot notice them taking place. For example, I share with you that one of my colleagues is writing a novel. Right now he is sitting with me, we are interacting. But I say that he is writing a novel. Why? उपन्यास लिख रहे हैं. So right now he is not writing, but these days he is busy in writing a novel. Got it? Then we talked about changing or developing situations. Then we talked about transition period. Alright? And then we talked about intention and likelihood. Okay, so dear students, this is for today, and we'll continue this present continuous tense tomorrow as well. Alright, so thank you very much. See you soon in my next video. Goodbye.